Follow these steps to remove account warning on TikTok. First, launch your TikTok app. Now navigate to the profile page. Once you're in your profile page, if you have got the warning, it's gonna appear over here. Now what you can do is take a screenshot, then click on three bars given at the top right corner, navigate to the options, settings and privacy. Here you're gonna find different sections, scroll all the way down. Under support and about, you'll find the option of report a problem. Click on that. Now scroll all the way down and click on the option chat with us. From here, you can easily contact the TikTok support team. All you have to do is explain your issue over here. So you can type in, I have got warning from TikTok without violating any community guidelines of TikTok. So please remove that warning as soon as possible and you can send it. With that, TikTok support team will get back to you. You can have conversation with TikTok support team. If it asks for a screenshot, you can also provide that as well. And it will definitely provide you with this solution. So this way you are able to remove account warning on TikTok. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.